The P0135 code refers to a malfunction in the Bank 1, Sensor 1 oxygen sensor heater circuit. Oxygen sensors need to warm up quickly to function properly and send accurate data to the engine computer. This code indicates that the internal heater for this specific sensor is not working. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. Typically, there are no other noticeable performance symptoms at first, but over time, you could experience increased fuel consumption and higher emissions, as the computer is not receiving accurate data to optimize the mixture. If the P0135 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a faulty oxygen sensor. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. The sensor wiring is crucial. A broken wire or a short in the heater circuit can be the culprit. Also check the fuses related to the oxygen sensors. In many cases, a direct replacement of the Bank 1 oxygen sensor, Sensor 1, is the most likely solution. Even if the car continues to run, an oxygen sensor that isn't warming up properly can't provide accurate readings. This prevents the computer from optimizing the air-fuel mixture, resulting in higher fuel consumption and ultimately damage to the catalytic converter due to operating outside its optimal parameters.